Hey everyone, this video is the first step in entering the exciting world of programming for data science by Python and R. Before diving into it, let's take a moment to understand where we are starting and headed. We want to ensure we are all on the same page and have a clear path to success throughout this journey. Alright, this course is about the most essential programming parts of Python and R. Before starting our classes, you must know how to code the basic things in these two programming languages, but don't worry, we will break it down into manageable sections to make learning a breeze. So now, first thing first, we'll cover Python and R basics. Whether you are new to programming or have experience with other languages but not Python and R, this section will get you comfortable with the essentials. And we will have fun coding together, so there is no need to stress. Next up, we will set up as a Python and R programmer to be able to understand and participate in data science projects. And we will learn to use the terminal, different code editors, and other things, right? So once we have mastered the basics, we will tackle some advanced Python topics also. I know they might seem rough, but don't worry. I will be there to guide you every step of the way. We can discuss them more in our classes or have troubleshooting sessions. We will explain the object-oriented programming, classes, decorators, generators, error handling, functional programming, and some coding practices. Okay, so that's not all. We will also dive into popular Python and R packages, file handling, testing code, regular expressions, and more. So trust me, it will be a wild and rewarding ride. Okay, so the first question, what exactly is a programming language? It's simply a way for us to give instructions to computers, just like an instruction manual. Okay, so computers, you see, speak in ones and zeros, and we humans have developed programming languages that bridge the gap between human language and the machine language. We have languages like Python and R, which are closer to English, and languages like assembly, which are really close to machine code. Now, to get our code to work on computers, we need what? We need a translator. And here comes the interesting part. This translator can be either an interpreter or a compiler. And what is the difference? Interpreters go line by line through our code and execute it on the spot, while compilers read the entire file and translate it all at once into machine code. So the program is executed much faster than an interpreted program, but compilers can only be used to execute programs written in a single programming language. So why am I sharing this with you? Well, as a student of data science, it's essential for you to understand how our code gets to run in your machines. If you just type random code in a text file, your computer won't understand it. We need to install the right translation service, okay? And what you download as R and Python from the websites and install them on your computer is exactly these needed translators. How to do that? Well, in the next video, I'll show you how to download the R and Python from the websites and install them on your computer, on your personal computer. So see you in the next video.